welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Day is just around the corner and girls, अगर उसको तुम्हारे hints अभी तक पता नहीं चला है, then do send him this video because I have created 25 plus gift ideas for you. And guys, I'm telling you, you can choose any of the list and she will be happy. I can vouch for that, and also it will not dig a big hole in your pocket. So let's get started. So for the first thing, get her flowers. Flowers is a basic thing and the first thing that you should do. Get her flowers, fresh flowers, so fresh flowers, but I would say get her crochet flowers. Crochet flowers would last her lifelong and it is not even that expensive. Normally खराब हो जाते हैं, but crochet flowers would last lifelong and जब भी वो उसको देखेगी, it will remind her about you. The second thing is tumblers. There are many cute tumblers, aka the Stanley dupe, pink, blue. Just get any of those tumblers in her favorite color and she will be happy because this is very trendy right now and it looks super cute too. The third thing is jewelry organizer. It is one of the essential for all girls, but most of the girls don't have it because they think okay lena hai, but literally they procrastinate it. So if you get her jewelry organizer or jewelry pouches, she'll be really happy. And जब तुम वो pouch दोगे ना तो 2-3 studs तुम उसमें insert कर देना, she'll be very happy. I have never met a girl who is not happy about jewelry. Next thing is home decor. Like here are some options that you can give, or you can give anything that is cute, aesthetic, which she can keep in her bedside or anywhere here and there. Home decor is one thing that will eventually last very long. You can also get those number plates that comes with a initials, your initial and her initials, the LED lights. From this brings to my next gift, that is gifting her something if she stays in strict parents, like gifting her a mirror but which has a photo inside. Really something like अगर वो strict parents के साथ रहती है और she lives with a family, then this is a very good option. So next thing is night PJs. So PJ sets are something जो हम लड़कियों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन we also know the back of the mind कि बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल नहीं है. We don't really invest in it. So gift her a night PJ sets from anywhere like Savannah or H&M or Myntra, anywhere, just cute PJs. Savannah has really great options in it. Like 1000 में तुमको अच्छे PJ sets मिल जाएंगे and that's cute and also very comfy and it's of really good quality. So the next thing is bags. Everyone loves bags. It doesn't need to be a high-end luxury brand. Normal कोई सा भी लावी का या फिर ड्रेसबेरी, any brand would work. A good quality bag like shoulder bag or sling bag या फिर purse या फिर wallet. She is going to office, then you can give her tote bags, which is also great. Next thing is customized Spotify playlist. So अगर तुम्हारे कुछ ऐसे पर्टिकुलर गाने होंगे जो हर कपल के होते हैं, okay, this is our song type of thing, you can make a Spotify playlist card for her, handmade. Do a little bit मेहनत in it to be very honest, because तुमको वो Spotify का कोड निकालना पड़ेगा और तुमको line by line उसको draw करना पड़ेगा, तभी तुमको वो पता चलेगा. So you can definitely gift it. This is very affordable but takes a lot of मेहनत. There are many Instagram accounts जो तुमको मेहनत भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा. वहाँ पर तुमको बस उनको बताना है कि मुझे ये गाना चाहिए और ये फोटो है. They will make it for you and they make it very nicely. You can easily find in Instagram all over. So next thing is perfume. So perfumes are ना very important. लोगों का ना एक signature scent भी हो जाता है. You don't need to spend thousands and thousands on the perfume, to be very honest. Just create a combo of your own. That the next thing is skincare gift set. If your girl is into skincare and makeup, तुमको makeup को उतना knowledge नहीं है कि कौन सा shade ले क्या ले, but skincare is something you can easily go for. और अगर तुम्हें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, like nothing, go to Miniso. Just grab anything cute. She will love it. If she is into cutesy aesthetic things, go to Miniso. Take any of the cute things that you find. Cute notebook, cute plushie ready की बात है. Any soft toys, in short. The next thing is आजकल ना बहुत सारे aesthetic claw clips आ रहे हैं, जैसे flower clips. I don't know, मेरे पास एक था, पता नहीं कहाँ है. flower clips and scrunchies, you can buy some of those and make it a set and gift it to her. This is very affordable and also very thoughtful. And also try to keep some of the scrunchies with yourself, because जब भी उसको next time ज़रूरत पड़ेगा, you can easily give it to her and she will think, my god, and she will eventually fall more for you. This is really romantic when somebody asks for a scrunchie and you already have it. Not somebody, your girl. You don't need to have that fancy scrunchies. You can easily have those black rubber band and give it to her. She will really adore you. The next thing is those vintage digital watches. Watches are a very important thing. Easily gift her vintage watches, or if she's into smartwatch, then gift her smartwatch. Next thing is Polaroid camera. Polaroid camera can be little bit expensive, like ज़्यादा नहीं, like mid range में आ सकता है वो 5,000-6,000 पड़ेगा. But who loves cute things or who loves capturing moments would love this, because Polaroid camera is little bit expensive. I won't say that it's very cheap, and girls, even the girls who like me, who does girl math, then also I don't find it really affordable, or really I cannot justify should I buy it. But if someone gifts it to me, and if my boyfriend gives it to me, I'll be really happy. The next thing is sunset lamp. If a room lamp, sunset lamp, that astronaut lamps, the galaxy lamp. So 300 से start हो जाएगा. This creates a vibe. Next thing, if your girl is into books, like she loves reading, give her any रोमांटिक सीरीज बुक्स, लाइक ट्विस्ट सीरीज. और अगर तुम्हारी बंदी को कुछ ऐसा बुक्स का एकदम ही क्रेजी है वो बुक्स के लिए, तुमने सुना ही होगा कि उसको कौन सा नेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ना है, या फिर इफ़ शी इज़ थिंकिंग टू बाय सम न्यू बुक्स, सो यू कैन गेट हर दोज बुक्स. फिर वट एवर जॉनर शी इज़ इंटरेस्टेड इन, स्पेशली ट्राई टू फिगर आउट दैट एंड देन गिफ्ट हर. पता चले तुमने कुछ जॉनर दे दिया, उसको कुछ और पसंद है, दैन इट विल बी ऑफ नो यूज़. ट्राई टू जस्ट रैंडमली आस्क, तुमको कौन सा जॉनर पसंद है, आई एम थिंकिंग टू start reading, and all of those. Thing is, create anything handmade, like anything handmade, like handmade jar or handmade card, because girls usually give handmade things to boys and boys don't. Because gift her anything handmade and she will literally keep it as a baby, and you will find her it any day, anytime. Like she will keep it in some safe place. So next thing is earrings. Jhumkas are weakest point of any girl. Like they love jhumkas, and no girl can have enough jhumkas in her life. So gift her 3 to 4 jhumkas and she will love it. Next thing is bracelet. There are many bracelet options. You can easily get gold plated ones from Palmona. तुमको अपना बहुत पैसा खर्च करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 1000 में तुमको, 1000-2000 में तुमको अच्छे ब्रेसलेट मिल जाएंगे. Cartier के dupes मिल जाएंगे. Another thing that you can do, get couple bracelets, not that cringy one कि आधा दिल इधर है आधा दिल उधर है. नहीं, जो नॉर्मल आते हैं बीड्स वाले, तुम वो ले सकते हो. जो तुम देख सकते हो तुमको कौन सा पसंद है पहनना. So you can see like, yeah, this I can wear and okay, I can gift it to her. Thing is neon sign. You need to like gift expensive neon sign. Here are some of the options you can gift. Like it's very cheap. You can gift any neon sign like love, or you can also make your customized neon sign through various Instagram page that does it for you, or your photo neon sign. The next thing is ceramic cups. I think ceramic cups are really going viral these days because of the cuteness. There are many cute cups. Like तुम ये सारे cups देख लो. How can someone say no to this cups? Gift her ceramic cups of love shape or any other cute cups. और बहुत easily, बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा महीने को तुमको maximum 300 के 500 के बीच. The next thing is personalized coffee mug. Written name on here, name or any coffee mug, वो तो easily मिल जाता है. अब उसमें pictures मत चिपकाना, वो अब थोड़ा cringy लगता है, अच्छा नहीं लगता है. तो anything you call her that name, or you can easily just write her name with some emojis. दिस इज़ रियली नाइस. उतना फोटो वाला तो मत ही करना, बहुत ही क्रिंजी लगता है और अच्छा भी नहीं लगता. अब तो बस नाम या फिर तुम दोनों का इनिशियल मिला के AR, फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर नेम स्टार्ट्स विद A, हर नेम स्टार्ट्स विद R, तो देन राइट AR. इट्स डन. Next thing is, if a girl is into coffee, she loves coffee, then gift her a coffee set, like any coffee mug or tumbler and any coffee that she likes or you want her to try. Thing is adult coloring books with coloring pens, colors. If she is into coloring and she likes drawing and painting, then you can gift it to her. The next thing is journal or diary. सो जर्नल, अभी जर्नल दे सकते हो या फिर डायरीज दे सकते हो या फिर क्यूट नोटबुक्स दे सकते हो. सो इफ़ यू हैव DIY इन योर एरिया, इन योर सिटी, then just go to DIY and get any of the notebooks from there. All are cute, all are nice. You just need to get that perfect one and gift it to her. Next thing is plushie or soft toys. Like छोटू सा देना तो छोटू सा दे दो, बड़ा सा देना तो बड़ा सा दे दो. But you can easily get plushie soft toys from Amazon, DIYs, Miniso, anywhere. She's into cute things and she loves soft toys, then she'll definitely love it. And for example, if you have something, try to be like more connected सा कुछ देने का कोशिश करना. For example, if she likes something, like she likes Doraemon, then you can gift her Doraemon. Yeah, with this we have come towards the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like anything about the video, kindly subscribe button. This would mean the whole world to me. Bye, love you.